Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Go Club app subscription. So if you have taken any kind of plus subscription, so how you can cancel. So basically you can cancel your Go Club app subscription by using your mobile phones. Like if you have taken your subscription from Android device, then you can cancel your subscription on Play Store, and if you have taken your subscription from iOS device, you can cancel your subscription on App Store. So the first method, what you have to do, you need to open your Play Store and you need to tap on your profile icon, and once the options will show, you need to select payment and subscription. And once you get the option, you need to select subscription and you need to select app which you want to cancel your subscription, like Go Club apps, and you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. And if you've taken your subscription from iPhone, then in that case what you have to do, you need to open your iPhone settings and you need to tap on your Apple ID, you need to select subscription, and then you need to hit your app like Go Club app, and then when you hit the app, then you will see there are lots of options to cancel your subscription. So basically these are the methods by which you can cancel your subscription for Go Club. Okay, so now if you have any other issues, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.